So today is Independence Day. So I still keep this 2 peso note. See the detail here. So this is Jose Rizal. Okay. Ang papel na ito ay salaping umiiral sa Pilipinas at pambayad sa lahat ng uri ng pagkakautang. Sino pa yung nakapirma dito? Bangko Sentral. So this is signed by our former senior president Ferdinand Marcos. Okay. Dito yung where's that? Yan yung sasabi ng parang sinulid. Ayan okay, may sinulid ba? We call it parang yung sasako, parang plastic. So we flip over. So pag flip over mo, andun pa rin yung mukha niya. Ay, ang galing. Yun pala, Pag flip over mo, when you flip over, you still see the image here. Okay. So, ang pahayag ng salinhalin sa kasarinlan ng Pilipinas noong Hunyo sa ating ilaw 12. Okay, 1898. Balkonahe ng Mansyong Aguinaldo. Okay. So this is the Independence Day. So detailed. ₱2. FG995262. Hindi ko alam kung anong year nag-start to. Pero alam ko elementary ako nito 80s. I know 80s 1980s 70s 80s. That's it. 2 peso note.